Invitation home.
Hey,
Hey, how's it going?
I'm good, thanks. You?
Doing great, thanks.
It's hot today, huh?
Yeah, super hot.
Heading home now?
Yeah, I am. You?
Me too. I just finished work.
Got any plans this afternoon?
Nope, no plans.
Want to come over?
Sure, I'd love to.
We can have some coffee.
I like coffee.
Want some milk in it?
Yeah, milk and a little sugar.
Perfect. Coffee with milk then.
What time are you coming?
How about 6 o'clock?
Yeah, perfect.
Where do you live?
On Green Street, number 7.
Ah, near the park.
Yeah, really close.
Do you have a backyard?
Yeah, small but nice.
Cool. We can sit outside.
Yeah, the weather's great today.
Should I bring something?
No, that's okay.
Well, I'll bring some cookies.
Yum, I love cookies.
I'll see you at 6 then.
Okay, I'll be on time.
See you later.
See you soon.
At the pharmacy, a cold.
Hi,
Hello, sir.
my throat hurts.
Do you have a fever?
No, I don't.
Do you have a cough?
Yes, a little.
Since when?
Since yesterday.
Do you have a headache?
No, just my throat.
Okay, I'll give you some lozenges.
Do they work well?
Yes, very well.
How often should I take them?
Every 6 hours.
All right. Can I drink tea?
Yes, with honey and lemon.
I like tea.
Perfect. Drink water too.
Yes, I will. Do I need a prescription?
No, you don't.
Great. How much is it?
$7.
Here you go.
Thank you. Would you like a bag?
No, thanks.
Anything else?
Yes, a cough syrup.
This one is very good.
3 times a day?
Yes, after meals.
Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. Feel better soon.
Thanks. Bye.
Bye, sir. At the post office, a package.
Hi,
Hello, sir.
I want to send a package.
Sure, in the U.S. or international?
International.
Which country?
China.
What's inside the package?
Some clothes and books.
Is it fragile?
No, nothing fragile.
All right. Do you have the address?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. How much does the package weigh?
I think about 5 pounds.
Okay. Do you want fast shipping or regular?
Regular, please.
Got it. Do you want insurance?
No, that's not necessary.
All right. You need to fill out this form.
Sure,
Here's a pin.
thanks. It's ready.
Great. That'll be $7.
Here you go.
Thank you. Do you want the receipt?
Yes, please.
Here it is.
How long does it take?
About 3 or 4 days.
Okay. Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too. Bye.
Bye. At the hair salon.
Hi,
Hello, sir.
I'd like a haircut, please.
Sure, have a seat here.
Thanks.
How short would you like it?
Short, but not too much.
Got it. Clippers or scissors?
Scissors, please.
Okay. Do you want me to wash your hair first?
Yes, it's a little dirty.
All right, come over to the sink.
Thanks.
Is the water okay?
Yes, perfect. Thanks.
I'll wash your hair now.
Okay,
All done? Let's cut it.
great.
Is this length good?
A bit shorter, please.
All right, like this?
Yes, that's perfect.
Want me to style it?
Yes, a little, please.
Do you use gel or mousse?
Gel, just a bit.
There you go. Take a look.
Oh, I really like it.
It looks great on you.
Thanks.
Want me to shave your neck?
Yes, please.
Okay, 1 second. All done.
Great job.
Thank you, sir.
How much is it?
$20.
Here you go.
Thanks. Have a nice day.
You too. Bye.
Family plans.
Hey.
Hey, how's it going?
Good, thanks. And you?
Pretty good.
Got any plans for the weekend?
Yeah, I'm spending time with my family.
Nice.
Yeah, we're going to visit my parents.
Do they live far?
No, they live in a small town nearby.
You driving there?
Yeah, we're taking the car.
With your kids?
Yeah, with my kids and my wife.
That's great.
Yeah, I love spending time with them.
What are you going to do there?
We'll have lunch together.
What are you going to eat?
Roast chicken and salad.
Yum.
Yeah, my mom's a great cook.
You leaving Saturday or Sunday?
Saturday morning.
And coming back Sunday?
Yeah, in the afternoon.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yeah, I have a sister.
Is she coming too?
Yeah, with her family.
So it'll be a big family get-together.
Yeah, the whole family.
I like being with my family too.
It's the best, right?
Hope you have a great time.
Thanks. I'm sure we will.
Have a good weekend.
Thanks. You too.
At the bank. Opening an account.
Hi there.
Hello, sir.
I'd like to open an account, please.
Sure, a personal or a business account.
Personal.
Great. Do you have your ID with you?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Do you live in this city?
Yes, I do.
Do you work or are you a student?
I work.
Okay. What kind of account would you like?
A checking account.
All right.
Does the account come with the card?
Yes, a debit card.
Perfect. How much does it cost to open the account?
Nothing. It's free.
Awesome.
Would you like to use our banking app?
Yes, of course.
Great. I'll send you the link by email.
Thanks.
Do you want to get phone notifications?
Yes, please.
Perfect. Please sign here.
There you go.
Very good. Here's your account number.
Thank you.
Your card will arrive in a few days.
All right. Can I use the account today?
Yes, you can start right away.
Perfect.
Anything else?
No, that's all. Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Thanks. Goodbye.
Seeing a room for rent.
Hi.
Hi there.
I'm here about the room for rent.
Yeah, sure. Come on in.
Thanks.
You're looking for a room just for yourself?
Yes, just me.
Great.
How much is it per month?
$300.
Are the utilities included?
Yes, water and electricity.
What about the internet?
That's $20 more.
Okay. Can I see the room?
Sure, this way, please.
Oh, it's bright.
Yeah, lots of sunlight.
Is there heat?
Yes, the whole house has heating.
Nice. How many people live here?
4. With me, it's 5.
Okay. Can I use the kitchen?
Yes, everyone can cook here.
Perfect. Is the bathroom shared?
Yes, but we keep it clean.
Great. Do you have cleaning rules?
Yeah, we clean on Saturdays.
Are there stores nearby?
Yeah, a grocery store right around the corner.
Awesome. When can I move in?
On the 1st of the month.
I really like the room.
Thanks, it's quiet.
Can I reserve it today?
Sure, if you'd like.
Perfect. I'll take it.
Great, let's do the paperwork.
At the gym. Hi.
Hi there.
Is this Fit Zone Gym?
Yes, it is.
I'd like some information, please.
Sure. What would you like to know?
I want to come twice a week.
Great. We have classes and machines.
Nice. How much is it per month?
It's $20
Is the shower included?
Yes, shower and locker.
Awesome.
Do you want to try today?
Yes, I'd like to try.
Do you have workout clothes?
Yes, I do.
Perfect. You can change over there.
Thanks.
Which class would you like to take?
Maybe Zumba?
Great. The class starts in 10 minutes.
Cool.
Is it your first time?
Yes, my first time.
No problem. It's easy.
Thanks. I'm a little nervous.
Don't worry. Everyone starts that way.
How long is the class?
45 minutes.
Okay.
After that, you can use the machines.
Perfect. Can I come on Tuesdays and Thursdays?
Yes, of course.
Can I pay with my card?
Yes, we take cards.
Here you go. Thank you.
Welcome to the gym.
Thanks a lot. I'm really happy.
At the travel agency.
Hi,
Hello.
I want to travel.
Great. Where do you want to go?
I'm not sure. I just want a vacation.
Okay. Do you like the beach?
Yes, I love the beach.
You could go to Miami.
Miami? Where's that?
It's in Florida, by the ocean.
Oh, by the ocean.
Yes, it's a very nice city.
Is it sunny there?
Yes, lots of sun.
I like the sun and the sea.
There are beautiful beaches.
Awesome.
There are also many hotels.
And restaurants?
Yes, plenty of restaurants.
I like seafood.
You can eat great seafood in Miami.
Perfect.
You could also go to Los Angeles.
Is Los Angeles near the ocean?
Yes, it's a big city.
Sounds good.
Do you want to travel soon?
Yes, next week.
Okay. How many days do you want to travel?
7 days.
Very good.
Are there cheap flights?
Yes, cheap flights to Miami.
Great. Can I book it here?
Sure, of course.
I want to go to Miami.
Great choice.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Have a nice trip.
Thanks. Bye.
Bye.
At the dentist, simple checkup.
Hi,
Hi, how are you?
is this the dentist's office?
Yes, come on in, please.
Thanks.
What's wrong?
I have a toothache.
Since when?
Since last night.
Does it hurt a lot?
Yes, quite a bit.
Which tooth?
Bottom left.
Okay, please open your mouth.
Like this?
Yes. I see a small cavity.
Is it serious, doctor?
No, not at all. Don't worry.
Phew, thanks.
I'll clean the tooth.
Okay.
Does it hurt?
Yes, a little.
I'll give you some numbing.
Thank you, doctor.
Great, now you don't feel anything.
Like, perfect.
I'll fill the tooth.
Okay.
Done.
Already?
Yes, it was quick.
Awesome.
Don't eat anything hard today.
Okay.
You can take a painkiller if it hurts.
Okay, thanks. How much do I pay?
$20.
Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Rest well.
Yes, thanks.
Have a good day.
Thanks. Bye.
Bye.
Helping on the street.
Hi.
Hello, young lady.
Do you need help?
Yes, please. I'm a little lost.
Where do you want to go?
I'm looking for the bus station.
Oh, yes. It's close to here.
Really? Great.
Yes, about a 5-minute walk.
Which way?
Go straight, then turn left.
After the coffee shop?
Yes, exactly.
Perfect. Thank you.
Are you taking a bus to another city?
Yes, I'm going to see my daughter.
Oh, that's nice. Does she live far?
A little, in Chicago.
Ah, Chicago is very nice.
Yes, I like it a lot.
Do you have your ticket?
Yes, I already bought it.
Very good. Do you want me to walk with you to the corner?
No, don't worry.
Okay, but walk slowly.
Yes, no problem.
It's hot today, isn't it?
Yes, very hot.
Be careful in the sun.
Thank you, young lady.
You're welcome, sir.
You are very kind.
It's my pleasure to help.
Have a good day.
Thanks. Safe travels.
Goodbye, young lady.
Goodbye.
At the gas station.
Hi.
Hi, sir.
I'd like to fill up, please.
Sure, regular or diesel?
Regular, please.
Do you want a full tank?
Yes, please. Fill it up.
Can you open the gas cap?
Yes, 1 second.
Are you going far today?
Yes, I have a long drive.
I see. Do you want me to check the oil?
No thanks. It's fine.
Okay.
I'd also like a bottle of water.
We have cold and room temperature water.
A cold one, please.
Sure. Anything else?
Yes, something to eat to stay awake.
Of course. A sandwich or some cookies.
A sandwich, please.
Ham or cheese?
Ham, thanks.
Great. I'll get it.
Thanks.
The tank is full.
Okay. How much?
$75 total.
Here's my card.
Thank you. Swipe it here.
Done.
Perfect. The payment worked. Do you want some napkins?
Yes, please.
Here you go.
Thanks. That's nice.
You're welcome, sir. Have a safe trip.
Thank you. I will.
Phone repair. Hi.
Hello, miss.
Is this the phone repair shop?
Yes, can I help you?
I broke my phone screen.
Oh, can I see it?
Yes, here you go.
Wow, the screen is really broken.
Yes, it fell.
Does the phone still work?
Yes, but the screen is hard to use.
Okay, what model is it?
It's a Samsung Galaxy.
Great, we have a new screen for that.
Awesome. How much is it?
$70.
Oh, that's expensive.
Yes, but it's the original screen.
Okay. How long will it take?
2 hours.
Oh, that's fast.
Yes, you can wait or come back.
I'll come back later.
Okay, what's your name, please?
Jennifer.
Got it. I'll write it down. I can also clean the inside for you.
Yes, please.
Perfect. That's free.
Great.
We'll call you when it's ready.
Okay.
Will you pay now or later?
Later, please.
Okay, here's your receipt.
Thanks.
At the movies with a friend.
Hey, have you been here long?
No, I just got here.
Cool. Let's see what movies are playing.
Yeah, there are a lot today.
Look, that one is an action movie.
I don't really like action.
Okay, how about a comedy?
Yes, I love comedies.
There's a new one, Crazy Friends.
That sounds funny.
It starts at 7 p.m.
Perfect, we have time.
Want to watch the trailer?
Yes, of course.
It looks funny.
Yeah, I like it.
Okay, let's get the tickets.
Yes, 2 tickets, right?
Yep, one for you and one for me.
Do you want seats in the middle or the back?
The middle is better.
Okay,
How much is it?
$10 each.
That's fine.
I'll pay this time.
No, I want to pay half.
Okay, half and half.
Perfect.
Do you want popcorn?
Yes, of course. No movie without popcorn.
I totally agree.
Sweet or salty?
Salty, please.
And 2 drinks.
Okay, I'll get them.
Thanks.
Here you go, all set.
Great. Let's go in.
Yes, it starts soon.